Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, we're going to install the LXTerminal on a Chromebook. But first, if you like videos where I show you how to install software on both Chromebook and on Windows and how to set up the software and programming tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get to the video. The first thing we need to do is install the Linux development environment. To do that, we'll go to our launcher here and we'll find our settings. You can either search for the settings or find the icon. I'm going to click on the settings here. And on the left-hand side, I'm going to go down here to this Advanced tab, and I'm going to click on that to expand. And then I'm going to click on Developers. From here, we can turn on the Linux development environment. I'm going to click Turn On, and we have this wizard that will guide us through the setup. I'm going to click Next. It's going to give me a username based off my email. If you want to change that now. I don't think you can change that later on. The disk size can be changed later on. I'm going to leave both as is and click Install. That's going to take a few minutes, so I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, once Linux is installed, a terminal will pop up. I'm going to maximize this and increase the font size so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to make sure everything is up to date by typing sudo apt get update and then 2 ampersands for and then sudo apt get dist upgrade. And I'm going to do a -y flag to answer yes to the additional space. I'll hit enter. This will take a few minutes, so I'll come on back once that's done. Okay. Once the Linux development environment is enabled and updated, we can install LXterm. Okay, so to do that, what I'm going to do is type sudo apt get install LXterminal and hit enter. All right, I'm going to press Y to answer yes to the additional space and hit enter. Okay, once that's run through, I'm going to go to my launcher here. And if I don't see the icon for LXterminal, I'll search for it. I see the icon. I'm going to right click and pin to shelf, and then I'm going to click to open. Okay, and here we go. We have LXterminal installed on a Chromebook. If you like this video, please give it a like. Thank you.